Hey guys, so in this video we'll be creating this digital clock here with some styling. As you can see, it is a real-time clock, right? So let's implement this. So I'll create a new pie here. Okay, so I'll add some boilerplate code here. So I'll add a class here, clock container. Okay, so I'll add two more divs here with ID date and time. So next I'll add a script tag here and I'll create a function with the name update clock. Right. So I'll call this function uh, every 1 second, right? And I also want this function to be called immediately as the script starts. And now I'll add my logic for the timer here, right? So firstly, I'll add a date object here and I'll create the time here with the proper formatting. I'll call the function to local time string, right? So I'll add en-us as the first argument, and in the second argument, I'll specify the hours, minutes, and second format, right? I want every number to be of 2 digits, right? Similarly, I'll create one for the date. Now dot to local date string en-us comma, and I'll add the date formatting here, right? So weekday should be long, year should be numeric, similarly for the month and for the day, right? So now I'll update my DOM with these values, right? So I'll call these functions here. So this statement will update the time here, and this statement will update the date here, right? So now let's check the output. I'll right click here and I'll click on open with the live server. Okay, so JavaScript is working now here. Now I need to add some CSS here for the styling part, right? So I'll go to the head tag here. I'll include the style tag here. So firstly, I'll target the body with these properties. I want height to be of 100 VH with the flex, and I want my entire content to be at the very center of the page with these color grading, and I want my text to be of white color with these font families, right? We can check the output here as of now. So next I'll target this class here, clock container, and for that I'll use these properties. I want my text to be at the center. I want internal spacing to be of 40 pixels and 60 pixels, top and bottom, left and right. I want my corners to be of 20 pixels, right? And the shadow part comes from here. So similarly, I'll target date and time here with these properties, like font size, bottom spacing. So now let's see the output. Okay, so this is the output now. So I hope you like the video, guys. Let me know. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below. Right. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.